Hey guys, so Norton Special Airdrop. So link on the description. So there's two links there. It would be the Google Docs. So all you do is just put your information and just follow their Twitter account. You would see here. There's two Twitters. I'm sorry, one Twitter link and Telegram. So all you do is just join the Telegram. So that's the official Telegram, Northern Lights. It will be listed on Gate.io. So there's three things you need to do. Sign up for Gate.io, link on the description. Then follow the Twitter, join their Telegram channel, chat group, and retweet this to your friends. And yeah, tag and retweet this to your Twitter account from the pin post of North Lights. So enter your email, your UID from Gate.io. If you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is sign up and get verified and get a UID or ID. Put your Telegram ID, your Twitter, and your retweet link. To get the retweet link, all you do is go back to Twitter. This is the pin tweet. So all you do is just tap this 661 something or retweet button, tap quote, and tag this based on the instruction, like RT, and tag to three friends. There are tag four friends and put hashtag airdrops and retweet and tap view, tap this fish icon, copy link, and paste it down here. Then just submit. And there you go, guys. Just follow their Twitter page. Just hit notification. Hi. Put or hit that notification icon so you get verified for any updates when it will be listed. It says here it will be listed on the 20th. So after that, please do check out Northern Lights. Check out their website and see what's up.